The White House today put a big, huge spotlight on an issue that's tearing Louisiana families apart. It's that mounting opioid epidemic, but how much of today's declaration from the president, what would it actually do? Our Capitol correspondent Kevin Frey has reaction to that, and from the governor, who was actually at the White House today for the announcement.
Putting pen to paper, President Donald Trump declared the country's opioid crisis a public health emergency.
We cannot allow this to continue. It is time to liberate our communities from this scourge.
In East Baton Rouge, drug-related deaths have skyrocketed in recent years, from 28 deaths in 2012 to nearly 90 in 2016. So far this year, the coroner's office says there's been approximately 89, that with 2 months left to go.
It's just been so long in the making. Addressing it will require all of our effort.
The declaration allows the state to move around some funds, redirecting them to fight the opioid epidemic. However, that could mean taking away money from other programs like HIV prevention. It also removes some bureaucratic red tape, making it easier to expand access to so-called telemedicine, which could help those in rural areas where health care is not readily available. That was praised by the governor.
If you can provide health care to that individual without them having to leave, then that health care is more accessible and more meaningful.
However, there is a major catch. The declaration does not include any new money to address the crisis.
Do you think that the president should have gone further, that this should have been a more widespread and impactful declaration?
Look, I'm not here to criticize what the president did today. It is a good start. I think it's better than having taken no action at all.
One area of contention is Medicaid. While the president supported numerous Obamacare rewrites that would have rolled back Louisiana's Medicaid expansion, the governor says it's been a boon for the state's battle against the crisis.
We are trying to convince the president and the administration that leaving the Medicaid expansion in place is one effective tool in actually fighting this epidemic.
Whether Trump will listen to that call remains to be seen. Kevin Frey, WAFB 9 News.